What's up, everybody? Panini one early bird break 4330. We are full dice roll. Make sure we cover our teams. We do. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Your squad's first. 1. What's up, D Harris? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 7 here. 1 and 6 is 7. Even in Indiana, it's still 7. Spurs up top, Chicago at the bottom. Sorry if you're from Indiana, Tyler's from Indiana. You don't count very well. 7 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 7 right here. Gage up top. Jason at the bottom. Again, this is a pretty quick break, guys. Only a couple cards. But pretty good value here. You sort this out. Already sent out the notification. They did all sort. We print. And we rip, guys. Good luck.
All right, good luck.
Good luck, good luck. Again, grab those spots on the website. Gonna have a hell of a night. Let's go. We'll start out with a banger.
First up, for the Phoenix Suns /99, Devin Booker on the base.
Phoenix going out to Jacob Lazinger.
63 of 99, Devin Booker.
Get that light shining too bright. Let's see what that does. Go ahead. Those glaring right there.
Good luck here. Rookie for the Grizzlies, David Roddy on the RPA /49 for the Memphis Grizzlies.
Memphis. Perry Markman. There you go, Perry.
Nice card.
RPA action. Again, just a 2 card break there.
That's the break. Thanks for the fill.
Hey, no problem, David.